This short video describes how to install EndNote X9 on a computer with a Mac OS operating system using the EndNote installation file provided by Bates College. If you have not already downloaded the EndNote X9 installer, please refer to the video from this Bates EndNote series for instructions. Also, EndNote is designed to work with Microsoft Word. Before installing EndNote, it is important to have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. It is also important that the Microsoft Word app is closed while running the EndNote installer, because EndNote installs a plugin for Microsoft Word that allows the two programs to work together. If you don't already have Microsoft Office installed, check with the IT Help Desk to learn about installing it for free using the Office 365 for Education program and your Bates email address. So, with Microsoft Word installed but closed, open the EndNote X9 installer program. With the Multi-User and Site License Installer app open, double-click on the two gears icon to start the installation. After doing this, you might see a warning pop up asking if you are sure you want to open the file. Select the blue Open button to proceed. Then, follow the on-screen prompts for a typical application installation. When the program has installed, you might be prompted to download and install an EndNote update. Please download the update and install it as you did the original EndNote application. If you are prompted to enter your Mac OS username and password to install the update, please do so. Confirm that EndNote has been properly installed by opening the application. The first time you open EndNote, you might be prompted to learn about the next version of EndNote, EndNote 20. Bates won't roll out EndNote 20 until the fall of 2021, so you can click the Ignore This button. EndNote will open and is now ready to start managing your citation information and attached PDF files.